Okay, we'll do it a little different this time. I've got a Roku TV thing. Roku model 2100X. I've got a Verizon Wi-Fi model A9075001507 from Westel. And then I've got a US Robotics V.92 56K fax modem. So this is old school tech. Serial port. Dip switches. So we'll get through all this in one shot, I think. Is that a screw? No. That is a screw. I do not know why they feel the need to hide fucking screws. Excuse my language. Okay, how's this thing come apart? Okay, so a couple more screws here. I got my circulator fans turned off right now so I don't disturb the sound. Starting to get a little sweaty up, honestly, but we'll go with it for now. Okay, so there's that board. We got some chips on the back. Tactile switch there. MLCCs, it looks like. Gold corner VGA, some more chips, flat packs. Got one thing hiding under a cover here. Ow. I really don't know why they got to put covers on stuff. Some BGAs there. Gold banded oscillator, I believe. Another crystal there. So we'll have some gold in these two connectors here. Maybe in that one. That one also. Not bad all in all. Next up, the Westel Verizon. Now what I found out on this is it's got connectors right here for antennas, but there were no antennas in it. This one, those don't look like they're actual. Well, they do have legs on them. Maybe those were the antennas. Weird looking antennas if that's the case. Let's get the shield out of the way. The shield gone. Can't really see what's in there. Okay, so we got a bunch of BGAs here. Tactile switch, rectifier, another little switch over here, 10 ohm capacitor, more 10 ohms in there, they're smaller, gold banded oscillator, I believe, gold pins in these guys, and nothing on the back to say, to say anything about. There's that one. I just don't, I've got a feeling, yeah, those are antennas is what that is. Air gain antennas. So I'm assuming that it's just a little bit of metal in those. Usually copper, aluminum antennas. Let's see what US Robotics has for us. Easy disassembly. It's all plastic. So what we got here? We got potentially a little bit of gold in these two, potentially a little gold in this one. Either silver or gold in this, plating on the balls that'll be in it. We got an oscillator here, or not a crystal, not an oscillator. If they're these small, they're usually just crystals. They're not oscillators. The larger ones are crystal oscillators. Then we got some flat packs, some chips, MOSFETs, little speaker here. Oh my gosh, that speaker, I should destroy the speaker just on principle alone, if you know what I mean, being a fax modem. Some MLCCs all along here. These are LEDs. And we got one little tuning switch of some kind over here. And that's about it. That's all I'm seeing on there. Okay. Okay, 3 devices in one shot, and we did it pretty quick anyway. Okay, have a good one.